Hey guys, this is Eric from pptactical.com. Today we're going to do a field strip of the Sig P320 M18 model, and then we'll do a reassembly. First, let's make sure everything is safe. We'll take out the magazine, press the magazine release button there. Now pull the slide back and make sure there's no round in the chamber. We're all good there. Now we're going to lock the slide back by pulling the slide that way and then pressing up on this slide catch so that it catches there. And before I forget, I'll probably take off the suppressor. Now everything is locked back. We're going to take a look at this takedown lever, turn it clockwise until it hits the 7 o'clock. Might be a little bit tight. Now take the slide and slowly move it back until the slide catch disengages. And let it slowly slide forward. You can slide the whole slide off and put the frame down. Now this one's really dirty, so we'll also have a cleaning video for you soon. Now take a look at the spring system. You're gonna see that there's a curved side, which is up and down touching the barrel, and there's a flat side, which will be on the side. So you gotta remember that. And the fat side goes forward. So take the slide assembly, press forward on the spring assembly, and you have the barrel, just lift it up and out. That's the full disassembly / field strip of the P320 M18. Now let's reassemble. Take the barrel, slide it through the big hole. Now move it back until it catches, so it no longer moves. Now you remember the spring assembly, fat head goes forward and the rounded side stays on top and bottom, and you're gonna put it in that groove right there. Just push it a little bit forward and we're good. Now we're gonna slide it back on. Take a look at these notches. I'm gonna slide that through this first set of rails. And you can pay attention to the back that it all goes through nicely. Okay, now we're gonna push this all the way back again and then catch the slide with the slide catch. And now turn it counterclockwise until it's back. And you're ready to go. Let's do a function check. We're gonna dry fire or point it in a safe direction, double check, chamber's empty. All right, now do a trigger reset, hold that down. All right, you heard that trigger reset. Let's press again. Now let's double check the safety works. Okay, we are good to go. That does it for the reassembly of the Sig P320 M18. Again, this is Eric from PP Tactical. Please like and subscribe for more takedown and cleaning videos.